Hello, welcome to Indiloom. I'm Shunayana. We are located in 143 Rashbihari Avenue, just beside the Spencer's building. This is our retail shop. Today I will show you some of our wedding collections which are very much in right now, in trendy. So today I'm wearing a Muga Banarasi with all over butta and zari border. It's a very beautiful bluish, turquoise bluish color. This will be the achal. It's beautifully done with different kolka motifs and the zari border. And all over it has little pinkish zari weave in it. You can contrast it with any kind of blouses. This also comes with a brocade blouse, so you can also wear that one. So I'll show you some of the colors of this one. This is a very beautiful pink color shade with all over meenakari work. It has this beautiful contrasting work in it with the beautiful zari, golden zari border, and the achal will come like this. All this comes with blouse pieces, but you can contrast it with any of the colors. As the wedding season just begins, this kind of sarees are perfect for a day look. This is a very soft and elegant silk. These are Muga Banarasi. This is a very pretty pinkish color. The whole look will come like this. These are very soft when you wear it, and these are very easy to drape as well. This will be the golden border that is coming all over the saree, and this will be the achal. This will be the blouse piece. The range will come onwards 8,000. So the starting range is 8,000. If you're liking these products, please comment below. So we are moving on to the next one. This is a very beautiful sea greenish color with all over zari work, contrast zari work, all over butta. And this will be the palla for this one. This all comes with this beautiful hand work, zari work. If you're liking this product, please take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. For booking also, and for video calling through buying also, you can also do that. We have our retail outlet which is located in Goriahat, 143 Goriahat, Rashbihari Avenue. It is just beside the Spencer's building. And for bulk purchases also, this will be the blouse piece for this look. All these sarees comes with the brocade blouses. You can also contrast it with as per your choices. For bulk purchases also, you can also visit our Park Street outlet which is located in 103 Park Street. This is another color of this Muga Banarasi. If you're liking this, the best option is you can contrast them with any other colors if you like, because all these sarees are our own manufacturing. We have two outlets. One outlet is located in Park Street, which is for wholesale purposes. You can also tap on the contact number that is showing on the screen. We will help you to assist. We will help you to guide. This will be the blouse piece of this saree. This is a brocade blouse piece. Looks very elegant when you style it as per your choices. And this is a very beautiful purplish shade, magenta purplish shade. All over contrast butta. You can see the contrast butta. These are very fine sarees. You can wear it in morning as well. These kind of drapes are very easy to do. This all comes with this zari border. And the achal also has work. All over saree is very elegant. This is a very beautiful yellow, mustard yellow shade. We can't even think of any other color for an Indian wedding, right? So this will be the whole look. It's a very elegant saree. It looks like mustard yellow with this all over zari work. This is golden zari work. I hope you can understand the color through the video. If you're liking this, please take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. This will be the look for this Banarasi. This is a very beautiful work as well. This zari border all over butta, and this zari work all over the border and the palla. This kind of sarees has no age bar as such. All these sarees comes with a blouse piece. You can also, contrast them with any other color. This will be the blouse piece for this saree. This is a brocade blouse piece. Take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are in the name of Indiloom Studio. If you're liking these videos, please comment down below. Please share with your friends and family. This is another very beautiful purplish blue shade, very royal color with all over contrast zari work. You can see the butta is going on all over the work zari, and this will be the border of the sari. This is also has this little meenakari work all over, and this will be the palla. It's very elegant. You can even wear it on the day purposes. All these sarees comes with blouse piece, and the range will fall from 8,000 onwards. So this will be the blouse piece of this one. You can take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. You can also Instagram and WhatsApp us. We are located in 143 Rashbihari Avenue, just beside the Spencer's building. So for any assistant, you can also come to our store. All these sarees, we have different collections as well, different colors, different collections. Please come to our store. We can assist you with other like Tasar, with other Mulberry silk sarees. Moving on to the next one. These kind of sarees are Muga Banarasi, but we have wide ranges, varieties of Tasar. We have Mulberry silk. We do our own digital printing. So for that, you can also visit our outlet. We are located in Rashbihari. One is your Indiloom, which is a retail shop, and for wholesale purpose, for business purposes also, you can visit our Park Street outlet, which is located in 103 Park Street. So this will be another color of this beautiful Muga Banarasi sari. This is a wine color sari. I hope you can understand the color. If you're liking this product, please comment down below, like this video. You can also take a screenshot and send it to us. With the number is showing on the screen. For bulk purchases, we can also do video call with you guys. We ship outside of India as well. This will be the blouse piece. All these sarees are very festive looking. Even for day purposes also, you can wear this kind of sarees. So for varieties and for other ranges as well, please visit our outlet, which is located in Rashbihari Avenue. So we are moving on to the next one, which is a very beautiful Tussar Banarasi. It is all with all over silver zari work. It's a very beautiful baby pinkish color, very soft and light and elegant. The border is in silver. This beautiful intricate design, and this will be the palla. Very elegant looking. You can contrast it with any other colors. This is a very fine Tasar, premium quality Tussar Banarasi. This will be the blouse piece. It is in checks and all over butta and the border. This is the blouse piece. For this kind of sarees, please visit our outlet, which is located in Rashbihari Avenue. Moving on to the next one, very pure white work. This is with all over silver zari with buttas and the border. It's a very elegant look. For this kind of sarees, you can definitely do a contrast blouse. This will be the aanchal. This has tassels as well, and the work is in complete silver work. So for this kind of sarees, you can definitely wear diamond pairs. This will be the whole look. Very elegant looking. This kind of sarees, even you can wear it at night functions. Look at the blouse piece. Wow, so elegant looking, with the border and the butta work. This is Tussar Banarasi work, all over silver. If you're liking this product, please take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. And for any customization, please contact on the number that is showing on the screen. You can WhatsApp us. Also follow us on Instagram for other details. Not for only wedding, but for any kind of festive seasons, you can also go for this kind of looks, because these are very easy to drape, very fine quality. This is a very Tussar Banarasi, premium quality Tussar Banarasi with all over silver work. This is another color, which is a sea green color. I hope you can understand the color. If you're liking this, please take a screenshot and send on the number. This will be the aanchal. We have our own manufacturing for all these sarees, and for other sarees as well. You can also contact on the number. We ship outside of India as well. Checks and buta and zari. All these sarees, the starting range will be above 8,000. Moving on to the next one. We are on to the last section for this beautiful Tussar Banarasi sarees. The very elegant baby pinkish color, soft and light and elegant looking. All over silver buta work and the zari work all over the border and the achal. It has tassels as well. It's a very easy to drape, very fine quality tussar. We have different varieties of tussars as well. For that, please visit our outlet, which is located in 143 Rajbihari Avenue. This will be the blouse piece. We have different varieties of tussars. If you're liking this sarees, please take a screenshot and send on the number that is showing on the screen. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are on the name of Indiloom Studio. For more updates and for more colorful collections. So for today's videos, these all sarees are there. I can't show you all the sarees obviously, but yes, we will keep on updating other videos and other sections of the sarees. So for more updates, please also visit our website, which is www.indiloom.com. Please like this video, comments below what kind of sarees you're looking for and what purchases you want to do. We can help you with that as well. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We are on the name of Indiloom Studio, and please subscribe to this channel for more updates and videos. Thank you so much. Stay healthy and stay safe.